This is going to be a tutorial straight to the point, and if you have never ever been able to apply false lashes, you will be able to do it after you watch this video and buy this product. Not a sponsor, but with my own money, but I think it's an amazing product and you need to know more about it. So this is the Kiss Falscara product, and what it does, basically they say that if you can mascara, you can falscara, and as you see, I am applying this mascara like product which is called the Bond, and what this is literally glue that I am applying to my lashes. So yes, you heard correctly, this is a glue that is applied in with like a mascara wand that is very small. I'm making sure that I am applying it especially closer to my lash line because that's where the lashes are gonna glue a little bit better. I'm going to be using the Ardell Natural Lashes, which to me look the most natural. By the way, this is my third try applying lashes with this product, and I achieved it. Meanwhile, I had been trying for years to apply lashes the normal way, and I was never able to do it because of the shape of my lashes. They're very like curled. So anyways, I'm applying the lashes as close to my eye as possible, or I guess my lash line as possible, and here I'm pressing my lashes against the falsies. I think it's better if you wait a few seconds until the glue has dried out a little bit more so it can be less sticky, and you will notice that it will get less sticky. For example, here applying it or kind of like pressing it with the applicator, it's not as sticky because it has dried a little bit more. So I'm just making sure that it's a little bit more perfected. There's one eye that is always a little bit harder than the other. This is the harder one for me. So just making sure that everything looks nice and we can't really notice the lashes too much. Here I decided to show you the second eye just so I can give you more tips and tricks, and you can actually see the whole entire thing and how it takes less than 5 minutes to achieve. Applying the Bond once again. This product has two sides. One is the Bond, one is the seal, and here the Bond. Don't poke your eye like I am doing right now, so be careful. And again, just getting very close to my lash line, and here I'm going to apply the lashes, making sure that first I'm close to the lash line, and then I'm going to press my lashes against the falsies just to get them all blended together. And please, by the way, little comment here, like this video if you enjoy it and if you're learning something new like I am, and subscribe to my channel if you're a makeup lover or if you're trying to learn more about makeup. So here, just pressing the lashes together and making sure that they look nice. I realized that it was a little bit too close to my lash line, so I'm going to be pulling here. Sorry for the view, but I had to show you also that they look so super natural. So this method not only is easy, but it will also help you get falsies that look super natural. And just making sure I secure everything before I go to the last step. And as you realize, it's only 3 steps. Here I'm applying the seal, which is going to just make sure that the stickiness from the glue goes away, and also that your lashes and the falsies are kind of just sealed together as the name says it. And as you see, this is something super simple. So first apply the Bond, then apply the lashes, and then apply the seal, and that's pretty much it. I did measure the lashes and made sure that they were my perfect size, so I cut them up a little bit. Here I'm applying a little bit of mascara because, by the way, I applied too much of the seal, so you gotta be careful with that and apply very little, so you don't end up with a white cast, which at the end I kind of still had a white cast, I noticed, but I still wanted to post this video because I think it's an amazing find. And if you have never been able to apply false lashes and you want to, I think this is an amazing product to try, and I bought it with my own money, not a sponsor. But anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed trying this product and being able to finally get some falsies on me. You don't have to, but I wanted to. So love you guys, bye.